Check out my new belt buckle.
By the way, he's not eating it every day or something.
My ankles are awesome.
You want to see something badass?
What?
My new belt buckle.
What the hell?
You're supposed to have a cooler reaction than that. You went,
Is it north, south, east, and west?
I don't know. It's just balling.
No, there's an M. It's an M.
There's also arrows.
I saw the arrows first.
I saw
It is an
arrows
M.
too,
I
but
didn't
it's
see
an
the M. It's an M.
Yeah.
M for
Muscular.
man. Muscular man. M for Molly. Yeah, that's my niece and my mom's name.
Oh, yeah.
And I have a tattoo on my arm that says that.
That's so cooler than man.
Man.
My belt buckle.
And my belt buckle says M for man. When you open this belt buckle, you will again confirm that I am a man.
Love your life. Oh, I see how you got it going. That's pretty cool. Oh, shit.
Alright. God, fixed gear bicycles out the ass.
That's a cool car.
That is a sexy vehicle.
Back at Richie.
Radiohead. Oh, dude. Rusty.
I know, I like them rusty. All one of those so bad now. Throw one together.
Dude, he's got goggles to wear too. Matching dresses, huh? Look at this dog.
The dog is looking at me.
It's a scary looking dog.
That goat's got devil eyes.
Sorry.
You are being videotaped though. Sorry.
Just stand right to the right of it, right where you are. Shoot in. Alright, there it is.
Your hands on her butt.
I didn't realize that. Sorry.
You put your hand on her butt? The secret garden.
Start calling Catherine.
What? Handful?
Well, she said she was grabbing her butt.
You got a handful of that ass?
I like him too. Kitty felt that ass.
Kitty's feeling on that butt. Oopsies. Poopsies. That's when you accidentally poop yourself and then you say oopsies. And you can call it poopsies for short, one word.
Is that thing filming?
Yeah. The thing's been going for hours. Still got all kinds of batteries too. So. Oh, I just filmed your butt for a second there, and I didn't mean to. It was just errant shooting.
Operator. Right there.
In front of this cactus.
Yeah.
Hey, look at these how
Oh, that
these
kind of
trees
looks like Casey and
these
them.
trees are propped up.
Why is that, Richie?
I guess they'd fall over if they weren't.
Oh!
I don't know what kind of trees these are though. I don't like that feeling. I don't even know their common name, much less their scientific name.
It's got battery life for days, man.
This thing?
I've left it on for time. I agree with that.
What?
Very clean.
What are you talking about? There's bird shit everywhere.
Not bird shit.